Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Monday, August 12th. So today was extremely choppy at the open, and it was really hard for me to find really anything that I liked. I saw Roku, and Roku made a massive move, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch that wave. So, um, I was watching, the usual suspects, AMD, MU. So I saw AMD opened up pretty strong, but was looking for a 5 minute opening range, which is my bread and butter, and also ABCD patterns. But AMD, as you notice, just pretty much dumped on that 5 minute. So just came down, broke VWAP, and at that point, there's really no position or thing that I saw here. I waited a little bit here and I noticed that it was holding. It came down, tested the 50, came back down, tested 50, but it was closing above the 200 moving average. I also saw on the 1 minute, you notice that it's also holding the 200 moving average on the 1 minute. And then on the 15, during that time, I noticed that it was holding the 20 MA. So um, I saw volume starting to come in here. I had a feeling because it had all the moving averages below it. And usually I don't like to short stocks with moving averages below it, mainly because they're going to act as support areas, right? Everyone is looking for those key levels. So I was still a little bit long bias on this stock. So I took it long um, here with the stop of the break of the 200 moving average on the 5. It came down here, but I stuck to my original stop. It never really tested it. Then I noticed here, as it was consolidating here, it started to pick up some volume here. So if you're noticing, I like to watch, the time and sales volume, the price action, but the volume here is very light. And then the volume started to pick up here. And once this candle started forming here, a bullish candle, also bullish engulfing candle, I'm also noticing that there was an ABCD pattern, which is my favorite pattern, ABCD patterns. So right when I saw that, I immediately added to my position. So I added more here for a potential ABCD pattern. It did form that pattern I was looking for. It cracked on above average volume. Look at the volume here. Volume picked up. I immediately started taking profit. We had this level here at 34.40, I believe, which was pre-market highs. So that was a level there. It hit that level. I took majority of my shares off there. I was hoping to get to the high of the day. Didn't quite get there. That's okay. I held some shares, came back down. Right when it was getting ready to crack VWAP, I took the remaining of my shares off. So this all in all was a small winner, but given the market condition that we're in, I'm gonna take it. And I only took this one trade, and everything else that I saw was extremely choppy. And from the past, you don't want to force anything. Don't force any trades. If you don't see any trades that you like that doesn't fit your strategy, there's no point of forcing a trade. There's always going to be another day that you can trade. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. I had one trade. It's not even the greatest trade, but I'm coming out with a small winner. I'm gonna take that, and yeah. So done for the day. I hope everyone has a beautiful day, good trading day. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow.